The hottest day of the year, which then was followed by that storm activity. Similar setup tomorrow, just not quite as hot. We drop a couple of degrees. Believe it or not, a cold front did work through this afternoon. That helped with some of that storm activity that really kicked off in East Texas. And then as that cold front passed through, we dealt with some of what was left on the back end. That is now well to our south, down into central Texas, south of Waco, south of San Angelo at this point. We are left with cloud coverage, and that will stick around into the overnight hours. I do think we'll see some sunshine into tomorrow. We will call it partly cloudy skies. Fortunately, that radar is nice and clear at this point. This is a time lapse over the last 6 hours. Here's what I want to show you. We went from some sunshine this afternoon. We had the heat, the humidity, to this, that drop in visibility as storms moved through Dallas County and Tarrant County, eventually into Parker County. They were very pockety storms. Not everywhere in North Texas saw storm activity. In fact, geographically, just a few small pockets. But as far as population goes, a lot of folks saw them because they hit in the Metroplex. We then had that nice, pretty sunset, but it was a warm day. 96 this afternoon at DFW. We hit that at 1:20 this afternoon. Marks the hottest day of the year so far, but nowhere near that record of 104 degrees. That record was set back in 1910. Today's afternoon high of 96 was the air temp, but that feels like temp. We topped out at 106. That's how it felt as you stepped out. Because when you're talking these high dew points, this high moisture content in the atmosphere, when you sweat, when you're outdoors, and it's humid out, that sweat doesn't evaporate nearly as quickly. Evaporation is that cooling process that regulates your body temperature. Can't happen quite as quickly when you are talking humid air. So as a result, it starts to feel hotter as your body temperature rises. We will still remain humid next couple of days. And as far as rain chances go, we'll talk spotty shower chances tomorrow afternoon as well as Thursday afternoon. But those better shower chances really do hold off until we get into late Friday and into the upcoming weekend. So keep the umbrellas handy. You will want them. Tomorrow morning, we will be nice and dry for that morning commute, a mix of sun and clouds. Tomorrow afternoon, we're talking 20 to 30% coverage for some of that storm activity. I don't think it'll be quite as intense as what we saw this afternoon, but we will still see a few pockets of those storms tomorrow afternoon. And then there's Thursday. We hang on to the heat. We hang on to the humidity. Temperature wise, we start off tomorrow morning in the mid 70s. We still head close to 90 by tomorrow afternoon with those feels like temperatures just a little bit hotter when you factor in that humidity. Make sure you're staying hydrated. Keep the umbrellas handy as we get through the end of the 7-day period. June is our third wettest month of the year. You need the umbrella most of the month. Temps will settle into the mid to upper 80s next few days. Once again, those best storm chances arrive as we head into the start of the weekend on Saturday. Doug?